And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 13. Let me show you the center align options. We're going to bring a couple of things together that we've already done in our playlist. We start with a rectangle and then we set width and height right here. We go with 800 times 600 is too big. Let me try 800 times 500. And we know these values now. So height is 500 with 800. Let me give that a different fill, something bluish. I'm going to stick to the default swatches here because I haven't yet talked much about colors. We go with this. Use the rectangle tool again, left click on your canvas, and then we can type in 800 for the width because we know that value. And let me try 200. For the height, that's a little bit too big. I go to 150. We'll try that. Let me use a yellowish color. Again, a default swatch. Gonna go with a darker one here. Once again, rectangle tool is active. I left click on the canvas. I know the 500 value for the height. And width, I now use the 150. We want to bring that together now, and the easiest way is to simply left click drag over everything so that all three elements are selected. And then you can use the top function right here. This element is for horizontal alignment and this element right here is for vertical alignment. And now all that we need to do is to left click drag while holding shift on this element, and we've got the Sweden flag. Let me also select this one here, the bluish one. We go to shape. We have to have the link icon active, and then I make that 50 to have rounded corners. But maybe these yellowish stripes are a little bit too thick, so let me go down to 100. And that looks better. So this is how you can align things in Illustrator. You have these options at the top whenever you've got something selected. So that's the easiest access that you can get to the alignment, and in this case the center alignment in Illustrator. Try to recreate it to get some practice, and in the next video we'll continue with alignment options. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.